Hi guys! Welcome back to Lynn's channel. We are here now. Where are we? Look at the fish here, guys. They're really big.
Where are we, Bob?
Panirig
Very good.
Nursery Garden, guys. We just looking for a plant hunting and a pot. This is where we buy our the honeycomb and the other one. Yeah, that one. That one for the side bag. Where you think we can put that? You can hang it like that. Good idea, but this is not really strong. It have to be indoors so it doesn't get wet. What else is new here? We've been here before, guys. This is our second time to walk around in the rain. Walk around in the rain. We got umbrella though. Okay, let's go. This is the thing we do when it's raining. Elephants! Woo. Where is their succulent that we've seen before?
Oh, you're right.
On the right? Let's go on the right then. Oh, I use my umbrella. It's nice here, guys. It's have a lot of statue for those who have a big garden. And they have a coffee shop there. If you wanna have a cuppa or something to eat. I have that silver plants. Oh babe, what are you doing there? I was going to send you. Why are you sitting there? Get up, Paul. Hi. Okay. What's this for, babe? For the winter fire?
Yeah.
Wood fire? Succulent in this area here, I think, guys. I go there. What is this one, oh? Indoor with different color, like mine.
That's what you need in the backyard.
Which one? Big globes. What's that for?
So you look at yourself.
I love myself. Some of them die. See, guys, not only my plant die, even the nursery. I have this. This is their succulents here, guys, but I don't fancy anything here. I think I got most of it now. They don't have the rare succulent except of this brain cactus. The brain cactus. Nothing. I don't see anything I want here, but
Ah,
no, the succulents. This one nice for the thing bag to hang. And agave, I got lots of that agave. How much they selling it? Nah. The computer say no. Let's go in this side. They got ivy. Is that poison ivy? Oh, even they have the things still. This is water plant. They grow in the water. Oh, I don't know. They just water lily. You want dinosaur, guys, for your garden? There it is. Bamboo. We have bamboo like this, ah. Mine like this is so big now. Oh, there you are, boy.
Mama Lynn.
And baby Lynn. This one nice color pot for the pot. $3.50. 4 for 12. Wanna get 4 bag? Get all the color. Go, boy. You can choose it. Pink, yellow, red,
Looks like an orange.
orange. Okay. Okay, that's it. Give some color on your garden, not all succulents. That's it. Change it. He changed his mind, guys.
No, I get an orange. But
He want the other orange. Okay. Which one is good? Okay, that one then. I wonder why that pot is hanging upside down.
maybe you're walking upside down. You're
No.
up the right.
Oh, might fall in your head. The dragon. You fancy to put in your garden, guys, dragon?
Should I?
Yeah. Kangaroo or babe, look down there. Crocodile. See you later, crocodile. Or alligator. Okay, what's in here? More garden picture. Who's this one? Ned Kelly? Ned Kelly. Give me all your money or I shoot. Water picture.
If you cut it back,
Yeah,
it's,
because they're getting big. Ours never get big because of a lot of competition on the next door tree. My lemon doesn't grow that much. Okay, lemon, orange tree. What else they have here? Dead tree. This is the one we kill in our front yard, vibe. That one that's when you step on it, it's get that one stuck in your foot. I didn't know they can grow it like this, Bob, like a bonsai. See, we should grow it like that. More garden roses, guys. I think I got enough roses for now. Plant more roses, Bob. They're very dear here. It's $22.95, so small. Jacaranda. I should plant some jacaranda from the seeds. They're selling it here. You see our big jacaranda tree?
we're going to trim the trees out the back.
Yeah,
That big maple tree,
maple. Yeah,
getting big.
it is big now. Oh, that one I have like that, guys. That's about it. We didn't see any succulents that I want. Panda. You get basket?
Yeah.
You choose what you want.
What ones are that?
Not really.
Ah, but I'm not going to choose what I want. You choose what you want. I like the honeycomb one. Or the ice cream cone one.
Ice cream cone. Okay, see you later, guys. I'll pick it up later. And oh, spider. Dragon fruit is growing, guys, like crazy. It's everywhere. What else is soaking water? Anyway, guys, that's part of nature's. When you do the planting, someone will be dead. Wow. Okay, guys, thank you for joining us. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please consider to subscribe, hit the notification bell. Sabi ng apo ko, wala naman ako nun. Paano ba yan? See you later, guys. Bye for now. Stay safe and God bless. Sipag niya. Very good, boy. Sweat because it's been raining, guys. All the dirt comes down here. And my beloved love clean it. Good job, huh? Hi, guys. Welcome back to Lynn's channel. Today is very sunny. Sunday morning, but it's still cloudy. It's been raining for like 5 days now, guys. So I'm gonna share with you what did I get yesterday in the nursery in Bunny Rigs. This one I get it in Bunnings, guys, the other day with my girlfriend. So 2 of them, they on sale. That's why I get it. $22.99. I think it's half price, guys. The other one is cheaper, $17.35. They both the same, like the same flowers, but I think this one is lighter color and different foliage. So that's my new purchase for, I know I said no more plants, but can't help myself. This is the one we get from the nursery yesterday. In here I get because I want to plant some climbing beans, sitaw, guys, sitaw, or snake beans here. This one is for $20, that one. And this one is for 12. So $350 each. And this little guys is $70.95 or that size. I like the foliage, excuse me. And what you going to do today, boy?
As much as possible, because I think it's going to rain this afternoon.
No. Oh, so, guys, I show you.
No, before you show people. My job in the morning, Lynn wants me to come out in the garden, is to walk around. So when I clean up all the cobwebs.
Yeah.
There's cobwebs everywhere from all spider webs.
Yeah, but because we didn't come down here, it's been raining for 5 days, so it's cobwebs everywhere. Spider web. Look at this guy.
No, you won't see that. You ready to see it? It's all on the fence. It goes across the trees.
Yeah, anywhere he walks, it's all right for me because I'm short. Okay,
You're
guys.
You're not short, bub. You're medium. I'm just tall.
Okay, guys. Look what happened.
Poor Norman's banana.
Can you hold it, babe?
It's
Flip it up. Because, guys, this is getting heavy, the hearts. So it's snapped down there because of this is my son's creation. I think if he cut halfway there, it will
grow
short that it will grow out.
It grew
It
out.
is grow out, but it get no
Less-
support.
Yeah, less flexible and it just snapped.
So this he told me last night. He ring me, Mom, can you put a thing on here? I said, yeah, okay. But when I wake up this morning,
Gone.
gone.
And you got your
It's-
rubber banana
It
one.
snapped.
You've covered it.
Ah yeah, we covered the banana there, guys, because the birds is eating it. See it? There's a hole on the banana.
And here comes the clouds again.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Down south.
Raining again.
Oh,
And
look.
this is your, come here.
Mhm.
This is gonna be his next project, guys. He said, what? What? I'm talking about that. That's,
The roof.
the roof.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's gone.
The roof, guys, it's gone. How old this thing now?
10 or 15 years.
15 years. But it should be, they said it's have 25 years, ano? No?
The pool was 25 years.
Oh. I want them to see it's when it's rain, it's all wet in here, guys. Look at that. And it's
Doesn't
all,
help you put plants on top of the cushions.
yeah, put it in there because it was there before
It froze out.
outside, because I want them to get wet in the rain. So my hanging basket is getting full everywhere. So this is gonna be your project, boy.
Thanks, Bob. What about your shelves down there?
And here, I was going to tell them this is the next.
The tiered shelving.
We're going to get rid all this thing, guys, but you see the Choco still producing some fruit, vegetable. I think vegetable. So I want to get rid all of this and build like a shelf for my succulents here, all the way there. But that's a project. One by one. We can't do it in all in once. It's only one person and a winger person. Anyway, that's about it for today, guys. I check up all my my plants, and it's been lots of water on my teapot. Want coffee or tea? I didn't put hole on it, guys, because I don't want to waste the teapot. But I still got all the lids of this teapot, guys. I used to collect them. I got too many teapot before, so that's what I did to them. And the banana have support and cover. The birds keep eating them. Oh, look at this, guys. It's got flowers again. It give me flowers again this year. The baby's jellies need to get repotted. I'm going to get some cuttings out of it. Everything is green and happy. The duck is happy too. You too happy there? Okay, guys, see you later, and we're going to get busy mowing the lawn. We can't cut that grass yet because it's still too wet. Yeah, I think I'm going to plant the snake beans so I can have snake beans before, you know it, we know it. Chilies growing. Oh, there's a red one there.